Myself Rahul. I'm from Warangal, Telangana state. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree third year. I have zero knowledge in coding or data science or anything. So I have schooling and schooling. Some my friends suggested me that Teks Academy so and so place is there. You can visit. Go. So when I came to here, Counselor Kavya ma'am told me that what to do, what not to do, what skills you have. So how we level up your skills. So then next I had taken a demo class from Hema Bindu ma'am. She is very supportive as well as in data science. And recently I have attended mock interview which is conducted by Teks Academy. That mock interview helped me a lot to today's interview, which is company of iGebra.ia AI. Currently now I am very confident to face any interview in my campus placements or any other companies. So thank you so much for Pratap sir on conducting that mock interview to level up my skills and to know what capacity I has present. And thank you so much Hema Bindu ma'am for motivating and supporting us to get in a best position. And thank you so much for Teks Academy for this wonderful opportunity and to upskill our knowledge and be in a position where we can be independent and